Hi, this is working the rolled edge. I've finished going along here. I've been left with my bundle of threads here. I will want to get rid of a couple of these threads, but I couldn't throw them out here. So I'll throw them out along the first few stitches. For a rolled edge, I'm going to take the first pin out and pop in the crochet hook. The crochet hook is going underneath. I'll do you a little zoom on that. It's going underneath all the threads. And this one that I've saved, because it's got most, is on the very left hand side, and this is the one that I will be using as the stitcher, but the others I can swap if I run out of thread. And I just simply need to grab that and pull that back through that first stitch. Now I'm using Milanese bobbins, make a hoop and pass that through. I'm using Milanese bobbins, which aren't the best for making the sewings because obviously the bead gets in the way. So what I usually do is I invest a little bit of time in unrolling and wrapping this onto a Honiton bobbin, which is ideal for it, or a continental bobbin, but a Honiton works almost like a needle, but every time I will have to feed these beads through for no real purpose. So I will be winding these off camera and doing that. Now then, what I've done here, that was just one stitch, is to cover this so that my threads aren't catching, is I've put a little cloth on, or you can use one of these horseshoes to just simply pop underneath your bobbins, and it just lifts all the threads away from the pins so that they're all raised above the pin heads. But I like to just use a little clothlet. So that's my first stitch. Now you've got one pin out. If you take the next pin out and put that in the same pinhole that you've just taken the previous one out, find the next hole, next pinhole, and repeat it. This way you always know which the next pinhole is because you're always replacing the one that you've just done. So grab that through, pull it through, gone through the next pinhole, make your loop, pass it through, let it go down, nice and snug. Now at this point I'm going to throw one of them out because I have got too many. So I'll get rid of that coloured one because I'm going to be doing a white edge on it. Pull out the next one. Put that in the previous hole, pointing away from me. Take the next hole. Oops, it's caught that one. Minor mishap. There we go, sorted. So pull the hoop up. That's the thing with these one-take mobile phone videos, you get everything. Right, okay, so I'll do another one. Put that in the previous hole. Go through the next one, take another, and feed through. Take out the other coloured bobbin. That's leaving me with 5, and with the stitcher that makes 6. I will only need 4 to do the telly ears with, so I will take out another 2 going along, and I'll take the 2 out that have the least thread on, because it is very easy if you've got short threads on some of them to actually use them and swap the worker. It is quite easy to swap the worker on one of these, even if you just put a little one overhand knot just to secure it. And there you go, and you just carry on and on and on until you get round to the ear. I'm not going to have you wait half an hour for me to get all the way up to the ear to show you the ear being done, so I'll leave it at that for now. You can see if I pull a few out, I probably shouldn't, but I will, just to show you. You can see there, oh, that pin's blocking the view. You can see the rolled edge starting to form there. Just underneath here, in white. Like a little rope at the side, where there isn't a little rope up here. Okay, that's the start of the rolled edge.